Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm coming at you today with a hair video. I'm doing a quick weave. It's a middle part bob, perfect for fall. So right now I'm getting ready for my braid down. I am putting some leave-in conditioner, concentrating on my ends since they're going to be braided up. There are a few tips and tricks throughout this video that I'm going to be explaining, so I will jump back in and explain what I'm doing. Make sure that when you do your braid down, you do a braid that goes down the nape of your neck, because if not, then you can potentially cause a lot of tension on that part and cause balding. So make sure that you braid that down so it's not pulling on the rest of your hair. Also too, when you're doing your own hair, it is imperative that you take your time. Your hair is not going to come out nice if you try and rush through it. So make sure, like, even in your braid down, you take your time. Make sure you allocate enough time that you can just put on some Netflix or YouTube or music, however you like to vibe, and take your time with your braid down. Alright, so when you're done with your braid down, you're going to want to make sure that you oil your scalp. You're going to be putting some product on your hair, and it's going to be underneath a cap. So you want to make sure that your scalp has something to retain the moisture. Alright, so now we are laying down the liquid cap. It's important you take your time, make sure you cover all areas that you're going to be gluing the tracks on. And a helpful hack for this is to get one of those like ramekin cups and pour some of the liquid cap into that, so you are not constantly having to go back to the bottle. I think it's faster for me if I do it this way. What I'm not going to show is once this is on, I did sit under the dryer for a good 30 minutes to make sure it was nice and hard. So make sure that you do that and it is completely dry before you start gluing any hair on there. Okay, so another hack that I like to do is I like to sew double my tracks for one pack of the hair. So I will take one pack of the hair. FYI, I do use 2 packs on a quick weave. So I take the first pack and I just use my sewing machine to double the wefts, double the tracks. I like this because it gives for more volume in half the time. So I love this. Some people are able to just fill the track and glue them together. I find it difficult to do it that way, so I would much rather just sew the tracks together, and that takes me a good 5 minutes once I get it set up. Alright, so you can see in this video, I did not rethread my sewing machine, so it is white thread on there. I don't mind it. You are not going to see the thread ever. And then the last pack of hair is not going to be doubled, so you're like double not going to see the track. And go ahead and just flat iron and hot comb your leave out.
up sweet, they gon' wanna lick the rapper. Let them taste the then I keep them out right after. Got these niggas vexed cause I curve them when I want. Get his wing pushed back if the nigga try to fall.
Okay, so I have experience with cutting, guys, so this is not the proper technique to do. If you wanted to go for a blunt cut, I would definitely recommend probably doing like the ponytail method. You know, so this, you know, I can finesse my way through cutting my hair in really any style that I want. You'll see that I'm gonna go and clean up some of my mess. You will also see that in the very back, it's not straight across, like it's not a blunt cut in the very back, and that's because I, at that time, actually liked it that way, but I did go back and make another change and use the ponytail method just to cut it even shorter and more blunt. Please, please. Alright guys, so this is the final look. Obviously, it's nighttime, so I'm not going to like lay edges or anything like that, like with a wax stick or something. I'll do it if I have to go somewhere, but like, yeah, so originally I was going for a more blunt cut in the back, but then when I cut it and I looked at it, I was like, I actually like this. So I think I'm just gonna keep it like this, and if I want to change it down the road, I can always change it. But this was actually the look that I was going for. I wanted to be able to pull it behind my ears and then like have it be the blunt or the bob. Wow, like I'm so talented. But all right, I will see you guys in the next video. Bye.